How to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. Sleep mode can be convenient for conserving energy, but it can also be frustrating when you are in the middle of something important and your computer decides to take a nap. So let's dive right in and learn how to disable sleep mode in Windows 11. So the first step is to open Control Panel by typing Control Panel in Windows search bar. And then click on it. Now, in Control Panel click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. Here you will see the option Change these settings to never in both turn off the display and put the computer to sleep. Change these settings to never. This will prevent your computer from going to sleep. Now click on Save Changes. So there you have it. Disabling sleep mode in Windows 11 is a straightforward process. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.